Haven outside the busy city, good location. Easy access to MTR and bus. Room is a bit old but spacious. Hip and clean. Location is great, the building is connected to the MTR so it's easy to get around. There's a 7-Eleven and grocery store in front of the building for basic needs, as well as numerous restaurants. Beds were comfy. Room was spacious for 3 people, we each had our own bed. Staff are friendly and courteous. Would definitely consider booking here again next time I'm in Hong Kong. Best place to stay in HK for budget travelers. Located just a step away from Chai Wan MTR station. Around with plenty of shopping mall and local food joy. Walking distance to the one of the best barbecue house in HK. Airport bus also right in front of the doorstep. Room is huge and spotless. Separated shower room is A+. Friendly stuff around the hostel. I will highly recommend this place if you want to stay in HK Island. Exceptional, very good. Clean and comfortable, good location close to MTR. Very nice staff. Room spacious and exceptionally clean. Amazing vibe. The hotel actually looks better than the photos and it is so spacious. It has a vintage vibe to it and the room is also huge and clean. They have free hot drinks and bread in the morning too, which was nice. Though it's a bit far from the city center, which I didn't mind cause it's near to the metro station. The hotel is also in the middle of a community area so it's nice to see locals going on about their day. The staff are also super nice and friendly. I would definitely book this hotel when I go back to Hong Kong. A great place in an out-of-the-way part of HK. It was a little tough to figure out where it was simply because it is part of a larger structure carrying the same name. But once we did, happiness. Great beds. Good shower. On-site laundry. And also in an interesting area that we hadn't ever visited. It was a good spot from which to get to the buses going to Big Wave Bay Beach. Exceptional, a clean-knit place with reasonable price if you are looking for a 3-star hotel near Chai Wan. Qualified for its class. Recommended. Practical traveler must read. Room rate is incredible in view of the cost of living in Hong Kong. While Loft provides sufficient amenities in the room. Most importantly, the location to MTR and bus stops is 3 minutes walk. Taking Airport Express to Central, transfer MTR, it will only take about 50 minutes. One can enjoy all kind of local Cantonese and Hong Kong street food as well as Market Hawker Center.